Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Django using OAuth2 and JWT step by step clearly. First, ensure you have your Django project set up. Install Django REST framework if you haven't already. Use the command pip install Django REST framework. Next, install the Django OAuth toolkit with pip install Django auth toolkit. Add both REST_framework and OAuth2_provider to your installed_apps in settings.py. Run python manage.py migrate to apply the migrations for the OAuth2 toolkit. Now, create a new application in your Django admin under OAuth2 provider. Set up the application to use the authorization code grant type. You'll also need to set the client type to confidential. In your settings.py, add JWT authentication to your REST framework configuration. Include REST_framework_simplejwt.authentication.jwt authentication in the default _authentication . Next, install the simple JWT package using pip install Django REST framework simplejwt. Create a new view to handle token acquisition. Use the built-in views from simple JWT for login and token refresh. In your urls.py, import the token views from simple JWT. Map the token view URLs to the paths you want to use, such as /API/token/. Now, create a new view to demonstrate protected resources. Use the isAuthenticated permission class to protect this view. Make sure to import the necessary classes from Django REST framework. In your settings.py, also configure your CRS settings if you plan to access the API from a front-end application. Create a front-end page or tool to test authentication. Send a post request with valid credentials to your token endpoint. You should receive a JWT token in response. Use this token to make requests to your protected resource. Include it in the authorization header as bearer your _token. Test the protected endpoint to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Review your settings and code for any potential issues. If needed, adjust your CRS and authentication settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.